This is it. I've been playing lots of games.
This is what it's been building up to. Oh my God, we're going on.
Yeah, yes we are.
Here we go.
Cool. Oh. Stop. Dankeschön.
This is it.
This is it.
Oh my God.
This is the Nürburgring.
Should our windows up?
Yeah, we'll.
And if it's flashing, it means it's recording, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're all good.
So have we got to go slow up to it and then we...
Yeah, I mean, there's a little speed bump here and then go past the chicane.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
Oh my God, this is it.
Yeah, this is literally it.
Here we go. Oh my God, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, what a racing track.
we are on a racetrack.
Oh my God, we're going really fast. Oh my
Well, it's
God.
only 80 at the moment.
It feels faster to me. Oh my God, please, don't let us die.
Whoa, a bit of inertia there.
Me nausea.
No, inertia.
Oh God.
As in...
I can't watch. Please don't let us die.
No, we're good.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't watch. I'm so glad I took my travel sickness tablets. Oh my God, please don't roll us. How long's the lap?
10 minutes.
Oh my God, 10 minutes. We're going to die. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just please be careful.
That's okay.
Oh my God. Please don't let us die. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
It was like a fucking roller coaster. Oh my God, my head. I don't think the travel sickness tablets are helping.
I'll tell you what, these tyres are bloody lovely.
Come on. I can't walk.
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please be sensible.
We're all good.
Oh my God.
We're all good.
I've got such an idiot. Oh my God. My sunglasses are going on. I can't deal.
Whoa. I felt
We're going very fast.
felt my cheeks go in there.
I felt my head going. Please be careful. Oh my God.
Well, one thing I didn't think we were going to be doing was overtaking people.
Yeah. Oh my God. This is quite cool at the
Oh,
moment.
this is cool. Whoa, did you feel that in the belly then?
I felt that in my brain.
So that's 115.
It's an adrenaline rush, that is.
This corner can be a little bit
Oh, please.
funny.
Okay, well, oh.
There we go. That's the main corner I was worried about.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, please don't kill me.
Nah, we're
oh,
good.
my head. Oh, my head. That would make me go funny.
And then there's a little bit of a dip in the road down here.
Oh, please don't let me die.
Nah, we're all good.
Oh my God.
Let's go. I'm not sure how this dip is going to respond.
I don't think I'll need to lock the car. No one's going to get in. Oh my God.
Yeah. So
yeah.
that dip there was the one I was worried about.
Okay.
But
I didn't think about any of that.
oh, this is fantastic. This is well worth the trip to Germany. Even one lap of this would
Happy
have been
birthday.
fantastic. Thank you, sweetheart. Come on.
Oh my God.
Let's have a look at what my oil's doing. Oil, 108.
How much is it meant to be?
About 100, 102 maximum for normal day driving,
Oh,
really.
okay. Oh my God.
Ah. This bit looks different than it does in video games.
Yeah, I'm sure it does.
Yeah, because those barriers aren't there, so that must be quite a harsh corner.
Yeah. Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
no, this one's interesting.
Oh my God. Please don't let us fall. Oh my god. It's when we take bends really quick.
Yeah.
It's just I'm trying to put my foot down on a brake and there's no brake.
Unfortunately, there is definitely no brake your end, my love.
Oh, please don't crash into this car.
Oh no, we're fine.
Oh good, oh good.
No, he's indicating, which is lovely.
Oh fuck. It's quite
Oh yeah.
Oh dear.
Cool. Thank you.
We're overtaking people. This isn't
I was not expecting that. Like, I really was not expecting to overtake people.
God, I'm really glad I took those travel sickness tablets because my head is saying but my stomach's saying my stomach's saying I should be feeling sick, but I'm not feeling anything. I didn't tell the woman at the chemist it was for this.
For the Nürburgring.
I didn't say it was because we were in a racing car. I just said me and my partner are travelling around Europe.
There we go. He is in a Leon, he's in a lovely car.
Oh, that's nice, but you his girlfriend's not in his car with him.
So this corner as well is a little bit tricky in games. No, that's not too bad.
Oh dear. Goodness me.
Oh, I can smell clutch. I hope that's not mine. I don't think that's mine.
I think you're saying it very hopefully. I hope that's not mine.
Yeah, well, I don't know. It just doesn't sound like mine, or smell like mine anyway.
Oh wow.
Yeah. This is good though.
I've got quite a few
this is
adrenaline
so
rushes.
good.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. Welcome to the Nürburgring.
Thank you. I'm glad I got my t-shirt.
Yes.
We have been to the gift shop.
My car was struggling a little bit to get past top speed.
What's your top speed?
Up to top speed, like 120.
Okay.
Struggling a little bit.
How come?
Not sure. Could be overheating. Which is fine.
Have you got is that something to do with like the coolant or the water?
Oil.
Oil, okay.
Yeah, my coolant is doing wonderfully, thankfully.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Didn't rev match that one. That's fine. Coolant's doing wonderfully. That's still at 90 degrees.
Okay.
Oh, this bit you're gonna love.
Oh.
This is the carousel.
Excuse my language.
Oh
my god.
fantastic.
To be fair, this is very fun.
I love that bit in games, and
that's nice for you.
This section, I would say, is also my favourite in games.
Oh dear.
And like Misha says, stay off the fake grass.
Let's stay off the fake grass, shall we?
Yeah, we did, don't worry.
All the real stuff. Oh my god. Oh.
This is wonderful. This is absolutely
I wonder what
brilliant.
picture that man's got on my face.
Oh, I really hope some wonderful ones. Oh, this is so good.
Oh god.
I wish I had more supportive seats.
That's okay, I don't mind being
The seatbelt is trying
around.
its hardest right now.
Oh my god. Please be careful, please be careful.
No, we're all good. This is a fast corner.
Oh god.
This is quite a nice one as well.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, did you hear that?
What was that?
That's the tyres.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Please be careful, please be careful, please be careful. Whoa.
This one can be a bit...
Oh my god.
tight.
Oh my god, oh my
Oh,
god.
no, that's fine. Well, it's tight in a quick car,
It's
but
got people watching us.
it is cool, yeah.
Woo! Woo! Reese, please. Be careful.
I'm making use of all the track here. This is fine.
I know you are. Please be careful.
Yeah.
I really don't want to die.
That's pushing the tyres to the limit there.
Okay, let's slow down, shall we?
Yeah, these seats really aren't that supportive, are they? I mean, they're lovely, but yeah, they could be a little bit nicer.
Remember, this hasn't got a roll cage, okay?
It's got a roof, it's fine.
Yeah, but I don't want to roll over. I'll cry.
Oh, this is so good.
Whee! Oh, you had to bleep a lot out.
Oh, this is amazing. This is so good. I really hope the camera is picking this up as exciting as it is actually in the car.
I'm sure that it will. Oh my God.
Oh,
I don't have
a little bit of rubble on the track there. quick sip.
Yeah. Oh
That's
my.
a bit of a carousel looking.
Oh.
Oh, hello. Yeah, could you
Yeah.
Put
it back on.
Yeah, it's still recording.
It's still recording.
Okay, could you hit the
Recording.
Okay, could you hit the flip? Oh, you stopped recording.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Okay. Okay, there we go.
We had technical problems
difficulty
there.
And that's literally it. And that's lap 1.
Oh, really? That's lap 1?
That is lap 1. And then,
Oh, thank God that's over.
then we just slow down as we're going down here. Oil light hasn't pinged. That's good.
Oh my God.
Let's have a look. Oil temperature 112. That's not bad.
So I've got to go off and then come back on?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm glad that one's
Right.
over with. That was, yeah. So
Lost a little bit of footage there, but it's fine.
yeah. So sort of, obviously, was that you just obviously going for it,
Yeah, that was me going for it.
and the next 2 laps you'll take it easy?
Yeah, potentially. How like 1 lap would do. I absolutely bloody love that. Cool.
That's not recording.
Nah. So the ring is actually shut, unfortunately. There was a crash and they're not letting anyone else back on at the moment. Thought I'd just take the opportunity to chat about my car. Obviously, it's not the most interesting car in the world, nor fastest. It's just the 1.2 TSI, 110 horsepower from factory. It's just the FR, not the Cupra. Yeah, it's got MST cold air intake. Just around here, it's got the MST turbo elbow, which goes into the sucky boy, which makes some lovely intake noises. As for brakes, they're just drilled and slotted discs, and I've got the yellow stuff pads because I wanted some nice ones. Brembos in the past have not been particularly great, not standard Brembos anyway. And I've got some nice high performance brake fluid in there as well, as I imagined I was going to need that. Around the back, I've got a white line anti-roll bar, and here I've just got a stainless steel Cobra exhaust, just a catback. I installed some polyurethane Powerflex top mounts, and I've got the Powerflex dog bone mount as well, or the gearbox mount dog bone installed as well, which definitely helps with the wheel hop, that's for sure. And as for wheels, I have got spacers. I've got 10mm on the front, and I've got 15mm spacers on the rear. And I've got Pilot Sport 5s on the front and Goodyear F1 on the rears. I did want PS5s all round, but unfortunately the tyres were in very short supply, so I couldn't get them on all 4 corners. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's my baby number 1 and baby number 2.